Hey guys, welcome back. So it's probably been a week or so since I filmed anything, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know what's been happening, what's been going on. Excuse the way I look. Nausea and headaches have gotten the best of me the last 2 weeks, and my hair is just a mess right now. I'm in the process of dyeing it, so it looks like crap. But we had our ultrasound on Thursday, and I was 6 weeks one day, according to my last menstrual period. Now this can change based off of our ultrasound next week, but we did see the gestational sac. He said everything, because I had to see a different specialist in my office because my specialist had surgery, so she's out right now. So I saw the other one, and he's really nice. He said everything looks great. He said this is right where you should be for how your numbers were. He said I'll see you in a week. So I go back on October 1st and praying, crossing my fingers, everything, that there is a heartbeat. So that's where we're at. Like I said, I've had a lot of nausea, like no joke, all day long. A lot of food aversions. I, for some reason, cannot really eat meat. Bad headaches have started in the last couple of days. Extremely tired, but not able to fall asleep at night. Sore boobs. And I am super bloated. I already look like I'm 3 months pregnant. I'm not. But I will be 7 weeks this coming Wednesday, so we're halfway through the first trimester, and honestly, guys, I feel really good about this. I have had my anxiety attacks the last few days, though. I've been worrying a lot, but what can you do? Sorry, I had to drop a book off to my sister, so I paused the video. But like I said, I've been having anxiety attacks since, I don't know, probably last Monday. I think, honestly, it's because I went off of my anti-anxiety medication, and before I even got pregnant, like, I had talked to my regular doctor, like, hey, we're trying to have a baby, I need something that's safe for me to take. So she did prescribe me Zoloft, and I've been on it before, and I was on it for 2 months straight before I got pregnant. Well, I was scared to take it, even though I was told it was safe and I'd be fine. I stopped taking it. And I noticed yesterday that this is probably why my anxiety is so bad. Throw that in with PTSD and trauma from past miscarriages. It's been a mess. My head has been a mess the last week. So I went back on my anti-anxiety medication last night. I was like, I can't. I have to be back on it, or, you know, I'm going to drive myself nuts. I was trying to find reasons to make up an excuse to go to the ER to get an ultrasound sooner than next Thursday. And I had to keep talking myself out of it. I was like, this just isn't normal. Like, I can't do this every day, all day long. So I'm trying to take deep breaths and calm myself down and not be as anxious. But it's hard. It is hard when you've lost so many babies and you've gotten your hopes up time after time after time. But this pregnancy is so different than all of my other pregnancies. We've never made it this far. We've never got to see a gestational sac. My numbers never got this good. Everything about this pregnancy is different than past pregnancies. It's like my daughter's pregnancy, only my symptoms hit 2 weeks earlier than they did with her. Like my past pregnancies, I never had nausea. My numbers didn't go up like they should have. Like, besides 2016, my pregnancies after 2016, they ended within just a couple of days of finding out I was pregnant. Again, with those, I never had digital positives. My lines never progressed, nothing like that. So this pregnancy is 100% different. I truly believe that this is our time. I believe that this baby will be okay. But it's still really emotionally hard. My husband has not gotten excited yet. I think this is his way of emotionally protecting himself because we have lost so much. I don't think he wants to get excited until there's a heartbeat, which is completely understandable. I get it. It just sucks that, like, I kind of feel like I'm dealing with the emotions by myself, but we're two completely different people. Like, it's amazing we're even married because we're so different. We handle things differently, but at the same time, it balances us out. I worry enough for the both of us, and he stays calm enough for the both of us. So it really just equals out. I'm saying a lot. I feel like I just talked really fast. But yes, Thursday, October 1st, we go in for the heartbeat ultrasound. And then as long as everything goes correctly next week, the week after that, at 8 weeks, I will be doing the blood test to find out the gender. So hopefully by the 11th of October, we will know if it's a little boy or a little girl. I personally believe it's a little boy. That's just the gut feeling I've had since I found out I was pregnant. I don't know why, but with my daughter, I always had a gut feeling that she was a girl. So we'll see if I'm right. I also had a dream last night that we went to this ultrasound. Well, just me, because my husband can't go in with me, so it was just me. But they said that there was a heartbeat, it was 140, and then it was identical twins, that there was a twin hiding in there. So, y'all, I hope that isn't the case next week. We were already a little concerned about twins, but I think he only saw one sac. So, as of right now, it's just one baby in there. Thankfully, I don't know if I can handle two, but that's all the updates I have for you guys. I won't do another transfusion until like the second week of October. I'm going to ask them about scheduling that next week once we hear a heartbeat, because obviously if there's no heartbeat, we won't be scheduling the infusions. But just pray for us, keep us in your thoughts, whatever you like to do. Just hope that everything works out the way it's supposed to, and that in May we'll be having another baby. I'll be pretty devastated at this point if things don't work out, because everything about this pregnancy is so different. But that's all I got for you guys. I'm gonna upload this today so that way you're not waiting. I feel like it's been forever since I uploaded, but it's been pretty slow right now with the pregnancy, so I'll probably start uploading more once we get further along and all of that. But I'll talk to you guys later.